Liver is a superfood. It's absolutely awesome for your health. I just made a video recently about that, so please go watch that video if you haven't yet. It appears on the top right corner of the screen right now. So liver is truly a superfood, but most people don't like the taste of liver, and I am one of them. So how can you eat liver regularly? Because again, I really recommend that you do, even if you don't like the taste, at least eat it like once a week. So here in this video I will show you 3 ways of how I eat liver. 2 ways are really enjoyable. The first one I will show you is the least enjoyable, but it's a quick way to eat some liver. So here I show you what I do. Okay, so this is the first way that I will show you how I eat liver. So I take raw liver that I cut in very small pieces, as you can see here. And then, so I cut it very, very well. Then I put some lemon juice in a glass. Okay, so in this glass I've put the juice of 2 big lemons and some water. So I take a full fork of the ground liver and I drink the juice right away. So I don't even chew. I don't chew at all the liver, because you get the taste when you chew, okay? And basically I told you that I don't like the taste. So the only thing you taste by doing that is the lemon, okay? The acidity of the lemon. So yeah, I don't taste anything when I do that. It's just like swallowing a pill. So the good thing about drinking lemon juice is because you don't chew the liver, so it will be harder to digest even if you cut it very well. But if you drink acid, it will help the digestion in your stomach. And also, if I swallow that with only plain water, again, it will slow down the digestion, because plain water is not acidic. And for better digestion, you need acid, okay? So that's why I use lemon juice. Here I take another bite, not really a bite because I don't chew, but here I just swallow that like it was a pill. So this is not the most enjoyable way of eating liver, but now I will show you my recipe for chicken liver pate. Alright, for this recipe, take 3 big onions, about 7 heads of garlic, rosemary, laurel, thyme, and about 50 grams of butter. Here are the livers. It's about 1 kilo of livers, that's about 2 pounds, and a blender. So here you put fat in the pan. I use duck fat. Then you put the onions and garlic. You put like about 2 tablespoons of thyme, rosemary. You mix it well. You put some salt, some pepper. You can put more spices. Here is the laurel to help give it nice taste. And here, after it cooked for a few minutes, you then add the liver. And yeah, you let it cook for about like 15 minutes until the liver is well done, not too cooked. You still want it to be kind of pinky. And then you put the whole thing in the blender and you just blend it. Okay, you can help it blend in the beginning with the spoon, and you blend until it's really smooth. Meanwhile, you melt the butter in bain-marie, and here, so the pate is done, it's really smooth. I put it in like some bowls, and then you put the melted butter on the top. So the melted butter is just for decoration. You don't really need to do that, it's just because it looks better, but that's it. So you keep it in the fridge overnight, and here it goes the next day. And so you can add much more spices than what I did here in this video, because actually it was not that tasty. So yeah, you can put so many more things. Here's an idea of how to present it, but you can have it with bread. So a third way that I did not film is you can make meatballs with liver. So you take like ground beef or ground pork, a good amount of it, and you put some ground liver, or you cut liver in very small pieces. So regarding the quantity, of course you want more ground beef or ground pork compared to the liver, because you want to hide the taste of the liver. So you mix the raw ground beef or pork with the raw pieces of liver. You mix it very well with your hands, and you put some herbs. You can put some garlic cut in small pieces, some onions cut in very small pieces. You can put some coriander, you can put some parsley, and some other herbs if you want. So you make nice little balls like that, and you can also put some eggs, so it sticks together better. So you mix all of that, you put some oil in your pan, and you put the balls, and you cook the balls like that in the pan, and voila, that's it. And yeah, that's a good meal. And usually if you do it well, if you do it properly, you won't taste the liver, and it's a great way to have liver in your diet. So I hope this video helped. I really hope you will eat more liver for your health, because again, it's like one of the best food you can have on earth. So again, if you haven't watched my video about the benefits of liver, please go watch it. It's on the top right corner of this video. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.